Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news for all the Acura fans out there. Acura is currently working on a mid-life cycle update for their popular MDX SUV. And guess what? One of our eagle-eyed readers managed to capture a camouflage prototype being tested right in the heart of New York City. It appears to be the sporty Type S variant, sporting some subtle yet intriguing changes. Let's dive in and take a closer look. This particular MDX prototype came dressed in the striking tiger eye pearl shade, complemented by impressive 21-inch alloy wheels and quad tailpipes. These specific features are typically associated with the Type S trim. Now, while the front end and rear bumper were strategically covered in camouflage, hinting at updates in those areas, we managed to spot some intriguing design tweaks. Resembling the current model, the prototype showcased a familiar grille and LED headlights. However, upon closer inspection, we noticed some noticeable changes in the redesigned and slightly repositioned bumper intakes. These alterations hint at a more dynamic and aggressive front fascia. Moving towards the back, we expect smaller modifications centered around the trim of the rear bumper. Speaking of the current Acura MDX Type S, let's not forget the powerhouse that lurks under its hood. It boasts a mighty turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, pumping out an impressive 355 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque. This power is seamlessly transmitted to all four wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission, and Acura's renowned super-handling all-wheel drive system. Additionally, the Type S variant offers a range of performance-enhancing features, including air suspension, adaptive dampers, larger Brembo front brakes, and an exhilarating Sport Plus driving mode. Well, if our predictions are correct, we can anticipate the refreshed MDX to arrive in early 2024, possibly as a 2025 model year. Until then, we'll keep our eyes peeled for more prototype sightings, which will undoubtedly provide us with additional insights into the forthcoming visual and technological enhancements. That's all for today's update on the Acura MDX facelift. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive news. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts.